Okay, yes. So we are going to start the chapter. Supplementary reader. Name of the chapter. The thing you love. Especially the boys. Right? No? Acha, what if I just want to ask, what if somebody says you something? Okay? And now you are offended. What is the way you will choose? The way that I have written here? Anvay? Yeah. That's good. That is very good. No, in general sense, means somebody said something. This question is especially for boys. वो ही ज्यादा aggressive हो जाते हैं, उन्हें कुछ कहने की देर होती है, and they, है ना प्रबल? If I say shoes, ऐसे ऐसे हो गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, पता नहीं क्या क्या हो गया, right? So, which way would you prefer? One way I have written. ठीक है? Okay, no, I'm not talking about the teachers. ठीक है? Let's forget the teachers. उनके साथ तो तुम argument कर सकते हो, गुस्सा से चाहे तुम्हें जितना मर्जी आ रहा हो, but you can just argue. About your friends or classmates, or you can say from other sections, the boys of other sections, if they say you something. Oh, Hardik, please. Please, Hardik. Okay, how many of you would actually ignore? Oh, Manan. I know इसमें से 2-3 बच्चे होंगे जो really it's only about boys. Varun, I can understand. Gurkaran, not now. Manan तो totally no. So definitely you would try to pick a fight. ठीक है? एक common dialogue बाहर मिल. Right? Okay, what about girls now? Ignore? Seriously? Angel हो तो नहीं. I think this is yes. बाल घुटने में आ जाती है. Yes. Yes, there are so many videos also, right? So the thing is, this is our common trait. ठीक है? Whenever we are offended, because of our aggression, our mindset, you can say, हम decide क्या करते हैं? We quickly decide to pick a fight. Sometimes we know and sometimes unknowingly, okay? But we react this way. Can you think of any other way to sort everything down? Means if you are offended and you think that, okay, just by doing this, you can forgiveness, okay? Argument and fight, I think verbal fight, physical fight, one and the same thing. फिजिकल में ऐसे वही ना, वो चोट मुंह पे लग जाएगी, and वो verbal में वो दिल में बैठ जाएगी बात. Okay, now that person has said something, now I want to take revenge. So any other way? Chalo, let's see. Okay, let's see what this chapter is about. You already got some idea. So I would like to ask Manan to start this wonderful chapter, not at all related to him, the fight. Manan, बैठ गई. Manan, बैठ गई. एक second. Just the introduction. It's Ranji discovers a pool in the forest and plunges into it for a swim. There is a serious trouble between him and someone else over who has a right to the pool. And especially for between boys, I have seen this. वो ऐसी बातों पे कई बार लड़ते हैं जो कि totally stupid होती हैं. Especially in the college, when you will go there ना, colleges में जाओगे वहां पे देखना तूने मुझे देखा क्यों? What is this? What is this? देखा क्यों? Seriously, and I have seen such type of fights where the issue was maybe हम ऐसे क्रॉस कर रहे हैं, दिख गया, एक लड़के ने दूसरे लड़के को देखा ही क्यों, and they just start fighting. Fighting means proper fight. ठीक है? And these are the issues. अभी तुम हंस रहे हो, मे बी तुम में से कहीं जाके ये काम करें. So if you want to pick a fight, please ever don't pick a fight on this such type of stupid issue. Okay, then the first round ends in a draw. Now there is rounds. Rounds means it means the competition, kind of competition. Now let's start. Yes. So now this first paragraph is actually a description of the boy Ranji, okay, who is a you can say newcomer to the town. Got it? And it is Rajpur, and everything else is the description of summer. The way the writer has described summer, you can say afternoon, one summer afternoon, okay, about the trees, everything is dry, nothing seems good. Okay, so this is first is just the description of boy Ranji and the description of summer afternoon. That's all. Nothing much in this. Next, who will read next? Chalo Manasu. बैठ के keep sitting and read.
It was on such a day, a hot, tired day, that Ranji found the wood in the forest. The water had a gentle, translucency, and you could see the smooth round pebbles at the bottom of the pool. A small stream emerged from the cluster of rocks to feed the pool. During the monsoon, this stream would be gushing violent, as streams from the hill, but during the summer, it was very irritable. The rocks, however, held the water in the pool, and it did not dry up like the pool.
So yes, it is again kind of description. In this, there the introduction of pool. Why the pool is so important? Because we wait. In this paragraph, description of pool and how you feel. You can just imagine the hot summer afternoon, and if you are able to see a spot, a pool, clear pool with good and transparent water, how would you feel? Nice? No? Obviously, thanda pani, not garam pani, cool water. Okay? So the feeling, and then that's all about that. It was dry, but because of rocks, still there was some water. Maybe in monsoon, the water was more, something like that. It is just a description. Okay? Next. Jayant.
He had often gone swimming alone or with friends, and he had lived with his parents in a country town in the middle of the Rajputana desert. There he had known sticky muddy pools where fellows bellowed and the wind was slow. He had never seen a pool like it, so clean and cool and inviting. He left into the water very safe, unsumbled, free of any threat, and his dark body is an insect was.
Again, how when he saw the pool, he directly dived into it because it was hot. And then where he used to live in the middle of Rajputana desert, and the pools there were not so good. So this pool that he saw here in Rajpur, it was quite inviting, means it was cool and everything was good. So that is the comparison between pools. The pools that he used to know, means that he had seen, those were not at all good. And now the pool he was at present where he was, you can say, living, that was good. That's all. Asta. So now this is the introduction of other boy, and you can say he was older than Ranji. He was looking older than Ranji, and description of that boy: taller, thick set, and with broad nose, thick red lips. And he noticed Ranji. At first, he didn't say anything. Okay, but what was he doing? He was just waiting for Ranji's reply. He was waiting for Ranji to say something. But when he ignored Ranji, he didn't say anything. That time the boy, he asked that, what are you doing here? Okay. Wait. So now what happened? What was the conversation? Conversation was the new boy, he asked, what are you doing here? So Ranji, he was preparing to be a friend, as he was new to the town. So he was searching for, you can say, some company. He was searching for friends, and he was thinking to be the friend. But when the other boy, he called and he asked, so Ranji he was in shock when he heard his, you can say, unfriendly tone. And then he said that, okay, again, still Ranji, he replied very calmly. He said, I'm swimming here, so why don't you join me? Then the other boy said, I love to swim alone. And he said that this is my pool. So now, if there is a pool that is in a forest, so definitely it is not someone's private property, you can say. Rivers वगैरह जो हैं, वो क्या हैं? Can you stop anyone from swimming or diving into those obviously if they are not doing any kind of suicide and all? Can you just stop them? No, this is my river. You are not allowed to. No. So that was the scene. It was a, you can say, public property, middle of the forest, and the other boy was claiming that the pool was his. Okay. Who was wrong here? The stranger? Okay. Yes, who will read next? Chalo, Prabal and then Yashika. Keep sitting.
The stranger told Abdul the demon who sat on the rock and planting his broad feet firmly on the sand, said, as though this would settle the matter once all for all. Do not you know I am a warrior? I do not take supplies from villagers like you. So you like to fight with villagers, said Ranji. Well, I am not a villager, I am a fighter.
So now this is the start, the beginning. First, it was just verbal, okay? And the other boy, he was ready to fight, okay? The description that was given, that he was planting his broad feet firmly on the sand. This was that he was ready to pick a fight, physical fight. And then he said that I am a warrior. and I not going, I don't take replies, means I don't want you to argue, just leave the place. So he said that I am Ranji. On the other hand, again, he was, otherwise he was correct. He was trying to be friendly, but when he heard such type of unfriendly replies, so he said that I am also not just simply a villager, I am a fighter. So if I am here, I will not leave the place. I'm going to fight.
They had reached an place. One had said he was a warrior, the other had proclaimed himself as a fighter. There was little else that could be said.
Yes, one is a warrior. He said, he declared that he was a warrior. Okay. Other said that fighter. So he said that now there was nothing left to say. It means both declared that they were ready to fight. Bolo, bolo.
You understand that I am a warrior, said the stranger, feeling that perhaps this information had not regretted. Ranji said, I have heard you say it 3 times, replied Ranji. Then why are you not running away? I am waiting for you to run away. I will have to beat you, said the stranger, assuming a violent attitude, showing Ranji the
palm of his hand. So again, what were they doing? Still, the stranger, maybe the others, the villagers, they used to be afraid of him. Okay, but this time Ranji, he wasn't afraid. So what he said, that the stranger, he said that I think you haven't got my point, that I am a warrior. On the other hand, Ranji said, yes, I have heard you. You have already repeated this thrice. And then again, he said that, why are you here? I am waiting for you to run away, means the arguments. Okay. And then the stranger, he made the first move again, and he tried to threaten him by just showing his palm. Okay. Means now I'm going to hit you. Then
I am waiting to see you do it, said Ranji. You will see me do it, said the other boy.
I think this type of dialogue exchange we have seen in movies also. ऐसी लड़ाई कर रहे होते हैं वहां पे भी, villains and heroes, they also fight like this only. ठीक है? Then
Ranji waited. The other boy made a strange hissing sound. They stared each other in eye of almost a minute. Then the warrior slapped Ranji across the face with all the force he could muster. Ranji stuttered, feeling quite dizzy. There were thick red fingers marked on his cheek.
so now the stranger, he made his first move. What he did, he hit Ranji. Okay, and it was so strong that there were thick red finger marks on his cheek. Means the boy was very strong, and when he hit him with the full force. Wait, who else? Chalo, jaldi, 1 minute only. So this is the description of fight. Just imagine any action movie and you will definitely get a clear picture how they were fighting. Means एक दूसरे को ऐसे पकड़ रहे हैं, claw कर रहे हैं, just, ठीक है? That's all. I don't think unfriendliness. I don't think I need to explain the proper fight, because you can clearly picturize if you have watched movies, action movies. He went there. Okay. So now, whatever we have read, who do you think was wrong? Till now, the stranger. Okay, what if you were at Ranji's place? What would you do if you would have been at that place? Same reaction? Chalo, okay, we'll stop here.